So as you come in, this is the old Nugent sand mining area. Trails are pretty well marked for initially. They'll be different going forward, but this is what you see back here. Norton Shores people, this is what you've been missing for 40 years. There's not too many ways to get off the path here. It really just is a ring route around the lake. It's a couple miles, a little over that I think, but pretty awesome. Amazing this has been here all this time. If you're like me, class of '82, Wondershare Shores, shout out. You've probably been back here a million times illegally. This is my first legal hike back here. It's looking right over there where we came in. We're about a half mile in. So this section they're actually clearing out for parking right here. Don't know when that's going to be completed. I'm guessing pretty soon. It's pretty well underway. And hopefully they'll put in some kind of kayak launch or something on that lake. That'd be pretty sweet. We're going to scrap the Lake Michigan plan. It's all marked private property, no trespassing. I know we could get back there, but I'm not going to be a dick on the first time I come here. So we're about a mile into it. Pretty cool. Lake Michigan back that way. We're going to see the lake over there. Take a little detour, go down to the water here. About straight across, about halfway through, there's Winnetasca over there, Lincoln that way, Seminole that way, just kind of for your orientation. There's I always called it Bird Shit Island. I don't know what it's called. So we're getting down towards the end of Winnetasca. We're kind of on the back corner of the park here. Pretty flat for being in the dunes. This would be rated probably an easy hike. It's about 2 miles, pretty flat. Trail conditions are just packed sand right now, but it'll be deep beach sand as it dries out. So just expect that. A lot like Ottawa Sands in Grand Haven, if you've done that. Beautiful morning. Pulled back on Winnetasca and looked at the lake back in here. Probably done that a million times myself. This is the view that you probably saw, not the mound there, but there's one of the pull-offs, and you probably saw that view right there. Pretty awesome. What a great little park. I'm just going to keep it rolling as I come through this part, because we're going to take a little right here. on top of the dunes here. Pretty awesome. And that is pretty much it. So we're coming in off Lincoln. We're going out off Lincoln. You got to kind of pay attention. It's not very well marked yet. That'll change, but the only way I knew was the gloves on the stick there. But we're back to the entrance.